everyone, today I'm going to complete the package tracer left, which is the configure secure password in SSH for router RT8 and switch SW1. Our goal here is to implement basic security measure before deploying these devices into the network. First thing first, let's configure the IP setting on PC8, and based on the address table right here, let's go into the IP configuration, and as I copied earlier, yes, it's just implemented, and after I've done it, next I will open the terminal on PC to console into the RT8. So okay, fake T, and then I will change. The first thing they told me to configure the host name as RTA. Okay, so I'm gonna do here as host name RTA. And after that, let's configure the IP address for the gigabit Ethernet 0/0 and enable it using the no shutdown command. Interface G0/0. And then let's put the IP address 102.16.1.1, and the rest gonna be 255.0 like that. Then we're gonna do the no shutdown. So as you can see, let's say this back to config. To enhance the device security, we need to encrypt or plain text password. Here, set the minimum password length to 10, and then set a strong secret password of my choosing. Okay. Okay. Let's do the services password encryption. Then we do like security password min length 10. After that, I'm gonna do the enable secret, like 67367. Is that okay? Next, I will have to disable the DNS lookup to prevent table from freezing the CNA, and then set the domain name to ccna.com, and then create a user of my choosing with a strong encrypted password, which we're gonna do right now. Also we do like no IP domain, lookup and enter. Next we have to set the domain name, IP domain name ccna.com. Now just create a user with the username. The name, you can choose any username as you like. I'm gonna do like admin here, and then we do secret, and a strong encrypted password. You can do anything you want, but to be easy, I'm gonna just put password 367 right here. Is that okay? Yeah. And to enable SSH, we need to generate 1024-bit RSA keys, which is state right here, and we can do it with the command right here. So I'm gonna do like crypto key generate RSA, press enter. So they're gonna ask how many bit in the modulus you want to enter. Just type in 1024 and enter. So as I said, key will be non-exportable, and it's done. To protect against brute force attack, we will block origin. We will block login attempt for 3 minutes, which is 180 seconds. If someone fails 4 times within a 2-minute period, using this right here. Block anyone for 3 minutes who failed to log in after 4 attempts with a 2-minute period. My bad, bro. My bad, bro. Let's just do login block for 180 attempt. Wait, is that right? Yeah, 180 seconds. The math is not mathing right now, bro. Within 120, like that. So they noticed, the application noticed me that the SSH has been enabled, which is nice. Finally, on the router, let's configure the VTY live 024 to permit the SSH only. Yeah. Enforces local authentication and then set the exact timeout to 6 minutes. 6 minutes. After that, save the configuration to NVRAM. I should save that. Maybe I have some idea. Just type it in. Live VTY 024, enter, and then we do the transport input SSH. Sweet. Then we do like login local, and yeah. Also, we have to set the exit time out at 6 minutes. Finally, we have to end this, and we what you own, bro. And then we save the configuration to NVRAM using the command like copy running config, and then we do startup config. Yeah. Then just enter again. As they ask destination file name startup config. Is that right? Okay. And just done. As of now, we access the command prompt on the desktop of PCA, which is right here, to establish an SSH connection to RT8. So first thing first, we do like SSH / enter. So it told us right here the usage is to do like SSH -L not -1. This is one big mistake I made earlier. So type in the username you used earlier and then put in the target, which is right here. Yeah, 172.168.16.11. Enter. It's gonna ask for your password, and I'm gonna type it right here. Obviously it's what obviously it won't show to you, but yeah, saying RTA must be successfully. So now just exit it, boom, and then yeah, now we click on switch over to switch SW1. We will apply similar security measure here. First, let's go to the config. Is it series? What the? Yo, what is yapping, bro? Okay. So let's just do the same. Change the host name to SW1 as we do the config terminal. And then we go like a host name SW1. And then configure the management IP on VLAN 1 interface VLAN 1. Boom. And we enable the interface and set the default gateway IP address 172.116.1.2, which is right here. Okay, we go to 55 to 55.0. Then just like that we go no shut down and we exit set the default gateway gateway as 172.16.1.1. Boom. The security the key security best practice for switches is disabling or use of switch port except for F0, F01 and G01, which are active. I will use the interface range command to shut down all other ports at once. Yeah. Let's just interface range F0 to 24. G0/2. That's done. And then in config if range we go shutdown. Boom. Now the command use the port range of 2 to 24 right here for the fast Ethernet port, and then the single port range of gigabit Ethernet 0/2. Now all we have to do is encrypt or plain text password, set a strong secret password of your choosing. Yeah, right. Just like I did before. Yeah, just like that. Do it all over again. Just quickly apply the remaining security setting. Password, service password, encryption, and we enable the secret 67367, and we go no IP domain lookup. Then we go IP domain name to ccna.com. Right, and create another user. You choose. This time we're gonna do a guest user secret, and there goes the password 367. And lastly, just do the crypto key generate RSA. Boom. Type in 1024. Boom. And we're done. Lastly, let's configure the VDY lay for SSH asset and use the local user profile for authentication. Set the exact mode timeout to 6 minutes on all VDY lay. Blah blah blah. Just do it all over again. Let's go. We do live VDY from 0 to 15 this time. We do transport input SSH. We do logging local and exact timeout. I forgot the hyphen. Exact timeout 6, 7, and then we end. After that we just copy running config and startup config. Boom. Okay. Now to verify our SSH. Boom. I just go to the PCA earlier. Go to command prompt and then connect to the SSH -1. -1. Go user 172.168.1.2. Hold up. I scroll up. It's not 1, it's L. We go user 172.168.1.2. Here we go. Now it's gonna ask for your password. Type in the password like casually. Now we're gonna access in the switch one, which we call enable. It gonna ask for your password again. Now you type in the this thing you said earlier, and now you've been accessed to the thing, like boom, just like that. Now I'm gonna put here, check the result. Overall feedback. What do you mean? So as you can see here, I've done everything except the subnet mask. Why? Just why, bro? Just why? It's whatever, man. That's it for today. Thank you, and see you soon, I guess.